Hey guys, it's Deborah. Hey, I have visor hat. I just took it off so you could see me a little while. My better, and my eyes are not so shady, although my eyes are party heavy. No alcohol, however, just past my bedtime and then up a little too early. So for a few days, it's okay. But I want to, because I've had so many comments about the bicycle crunches, and in fact I sent an email letter out this morning to our subscribers, and if you're not on our subscriber list and you want the intel, a literal virtual personal trainer, if you will, you should be there, because I share some things there I don't share anywhere else, because those people are really my tribe. They're our community. So if you want to join, you should be there at flipping50.com/any-age, and I'll share that link. But here's the question came with, okay, you say no crunches, but you're doing bicycle crunches, right? So I sound entirely like a hypocrite to a lot of my peeps. All right, so here's the difference. What you're doing with a bicycle crunch, and it has been tested as one of the number one most effective exercises for working your rectus abdominis muscles that run up and down, your obliques that kind of cross over, internal and external obliques on your side waist. And you do several things, all right? You both rotate, you forward flex, and you're doing just a little stabilization. But here's the difference. Let me show you really bad form. We can all do this, right? When you're doing crunches, here's what I see, right? And we're gonna do 100 of them. And I'll tell you what, as you get close to 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90, you're doing more of this. And you're rocking, and you're actually not doing the abs, all right? So with a rotational bicycle crunch, what you're doing is coming up a very small amount. It's almost as if your head was on a scale, and you're lifting your head up off the scale, so the scale says 0, all right? Wouldn't that be nice? I'm just kidding. It's not about weight. But then your fingertips are like this. Mickey Mouse ears is what I call it. You're never gonna lock them back. And in fact, if I had a hand towel, this would be even better, but I'm gonna use my fanny pack for running. You sling or hammock your head back here and actually push it back. So now I've got no neck strain, no cervical strain, right? And we already have cervical strain from being forward, text neck, computers, right? So instead, you're gonna go right here, push back, and then hold, and watch my arms. So the difference is I'm wide open. I'm thinking lead with this and lead with this shoulder, not the elbow, but the shoulder. I wanna rotate over. And now I'm like, yes, feeling it, okay? Try it. And breathe out, and breathe out. You want to stay way open. And here's my focus. So watch this. If I'm pointed with my legs that way, I'm going to try to look at you, all right? It's going to work better on this side because I can't quite rotate 180. I have skills, but that is not totally one of them. So it's going to look like this. And I'm looking back here. And I come way back here. That's my focus. I want to take that flashlight beaming out of my sternum that direction and look as much as I can back there. Not to strain, but to train. So watch it from the side again. So it's really rotate and rotate and rotate and rotate. And when you do it correctly, it only takes about 10. Go right and left, 1, right and left, 2. All right. If you have trouble with your lower back, you don't have that core strength quite yet, here's what you're going to do with your legs. So reach and reach. That's if I'm doing okay. I'm pretty strong. If I'm not pretty strong, I'm going to take those legs up higher. So now that's helping me keep my lower back down on the ground. All right. And if you need even more help, don't put your hands back here. In Pilates, here's the move. All right. But I want you to be careful about going, jam that chin to the chest. Don't do that. Stay open and reach. And if you can't do that without straightening the neck, leave it alone. Take your hands back, but use that towel or a sling for your head. Please let me know if that was helpful and share it, because that'll help me know this was important to you, valuable to you, and you cared enough to share tips with somebody you love who might be doing it incorrectly, or getting hurt, or worse, not getting the results you want, right? So if you do something incorrectly, it's not just a risk of injury, but probably more of us are motivated by results. And so if you want better results, you just have to do a little bit better technique, but you don't have to do more. Let me know how it goes when you try it. Any additional tips that you need to kind of make this just a little bit better. And this goes for women 50 and over, men 50 and over, and younger peeps as well. So we all have to take care of our spine. We only have so many forward flexions. That's why crunches and sit-ups are really not your best friend. There is a better way with less risk, more results, and you can do it. And I'll see you on the flip side.